Okay, look at this one. Let me show you how to solve this. Let's read it out. 2 raised to power of root x. 2 raised to power of root x equal to 8 raised to power of x. And you are asked to find x. 2 raised to power of root x equal to 2 raised to power of x. Find x. It is very, very simple. Let's go. Solution. Okay, I'll write it down. 2 raised to power of root of x is equal to 8 raised to power of what? X. Okay, I'm having the simplest base to be 2. That's the smallest base to be 2. Let's write this 8 in index form. I get it? In index form so that we can get a base of 2. So let's go. I'm going to write 2 raised to power of root of x is equal to 8 simply means 2 raised to power of 3. 2 times 3 times 3, that is 8. 2 raised to power of what? 3 times power of x. Are you getting? So 2 raised to power of root of x is equal to 2 raised to power of 3x. 3 times x, 3x. I'll cancel out their bases or the bases. So I'm going to be having that root of x is equal to 3x. So what do we do? Let's square both sides of the equation. I'll square here, square here. This square will cancel this root. X is equal to, when you are having numbers, when you're having product of numbers raised to a power, perhaps in brackets, the powers are being distributed to the individual numbers. So this power will affect this 3, this power will affect this x. So I'm going to be having what? 3 squared and x squared. 3 squared is what? 3 times 3, 9. So I'm going to be having what? 9x equal to 9x squared. Okay? X equal to 9x squared. So what do? We will write that. Let me put this one to be 0 so that this x will move to this 9 to the side of 9x squared. 0 is equal to 9x squared minus, this is positive x. So when it crosses equality sign, it becomes what? Negative x. 0 is equal to 9x squared minus what? X. So I can rewrite it this way. 9x squared minus x equal to 0. Okay, now let's factorize. I'm going to be having that x, open bracket, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Are you confused? Look, x times x, when you factorize, after factorizing, to be sure that you got it, try to expand. So x times x, sorry, this here should be 9 rather. Here should be 9. 9. So x, open bracket, 9x minus 1 equal to 0. So x times 9x will give us what? 9x squared. Minus x times 1 will give us what? X. So we are correct. Okay. So I'm going to rewrite. We are having. Let's write it again. Down again. X open bracket 9x minus 1 equal to 0. So I'm going to be equating that x is equal to 0, or 9x minus 1 equal to 0. That means x equal to 0, or let me write it this way. X is equal to 0. This is one value of x, or 9x minus 1 equal to 0. Now 9x is equal to 0 plus 1. 9x is equal to 1. Divide both sides by 9. 9. Here, x is equal to 1 over 9. Therefore, x equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 over 9. As simple as that. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. I will respond to you. And if you have any topic in mathematics that you're finding difficult, drop that topic on the comment section. I promise to explain it in a way that you'll understand. Thank you.